We show you 2 methods for making homemade oat yogurt. You'll never buy yogurt from the store again. The first time around making this recipe, you'll need to buy the yogurt, but after that you won't need to buy it again. You'll use your own yogurt to make more. The oat-based yogurt you buy should have live bacterial cultures. Method 1. For method 1, you'll need oat milk, oat flour, and an oat-based yogurt. Pour the oat milk into a medium-sized pot. Add the oat flour. Mix together until the lumps are all incorporated. Place the pot on medium heat and keep mixing until the mixture thickens and reaches a temperature of about 85 degrees Celsius. Whisk constantly so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Remove from the heat and continue mixing to speed up the cooling process. Once the temperature has cooled down to 40 degrees Celsius, add the oat-based yogurt. Mix well to incorporate and cover the pot. Then place it in a warm place. We put ours in our oven set to 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Leave it to cultivate in the warm place for 8 to 10 hours. Remove from the warm place and lightly mix. At this point, the yogurt is not quite ready. Pour it into a clean jar. Put the lid on and place in the fridge overnight to thicken. With this method, you may not need a sweetener, as store-bought oat milk is a bit sweet. If you like our video, do us a favor and click on the thumbs up. Method 2. Oats are among the healthiest, most nutrient-dense grains on earth. A gluten-free whole grain, they are high in protein, fiber, and antioxidants. To make the oat milk, pour the oats into a bowl and add the water. Cover with a towel or plate and let sit for 10 minutes. You'll be so glad you took a little time to save a lot of money. Add to a blender and mix on high for about a minute until smooth. Place a strainer in a bowl and cover the strainer with a tea towel. Pour in the mixture and wrap with a towel so you can squeeze out the liquid. Squeeze out as much liquid as you can. You can use the remaining oats to make oatmeal, muffins, or a smoothie. Don't throw them out. Pour the liquid into a pot on medium heat and whisk continuously. If it gets too thick, add a little water, about a quarter cup at a time. Keep cooking and mixing until the temperature reaches about 85 degrees Celsius. Remove from the heat. If the mixture is very thick, add a little more water and mix well until it is smooth and has a consistency like this. When the mixture has cooled to 40 degrees Celsius, add the oat-based yogurt and mix well. Cover and place in a warm place. We put ours in our oven, set to 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Leave it to cultivate in the warm place for 8 to 10 hours. Remove from the warm place and stir. yogurt is ready to use. With this method, it doesn't need to be left to thicken, it's already thick enough. Pour into a clean jar and store in the fridge. This yogurt tastes quite plain. You'll need to add a sweetener or use it in a smoothie. We hope you enjoy your super healthy, dairy-free yogurt.